Imagine holding a handcrafted briar pipe knowing you created it yourself. This isn't just about making a pipe, it's about unlocking your creative potential with a minimal investment. I will guide you through the absolute core tools you need to successfully carve your very first pipe, proving that passion and a few simple tools are all it takes to become a minimalist maker. I started making pipes here on YouTube about 2 years ago, and now I've sold several to different parts of the world. I will link to all of these tools in the description of this video. First of all, we start with the regular wood drill bits. These are cheap and can make all the different holes in the pipe body. I usually make the holes in stages, where I first make the straight pilot hole with a small drill bit, and then I use a larger and larger one to achieve the final size. It is also easy to make the hole for the tenon and the acrylic mouthpiece in the right size with these simple wood drill bits. To make the bowl big enough, you can use a bowl bit. I made this one myself with an old spade bit and an angle grinder, but there are also ready-made drills to buy like this one. I call it my big boy bit. These are made so that there is a good bowl at the bottom of the pipe body, so that there is even combustion of the tobacco inside. To make the smoke channel, you could buy a special drill bit like this, but a thin, regular wood drill bit will actually work just fine. I chose to buy this drill bit to have the option to make longer holes later. And now it is time to go into the tools needed to shape the pipe body. Your minimum requirement is a rasp. With this tool you can roughly shape the pipe body, but also do a lot of things that require a little finesse. I can also recommend to buy a round rasp for even finer details. I can also recommend that you get a cheap saw, just to be able to quickly remove excess wood on the pipe material. The saw is really important, but the next tool is optional, but it makes everything a lot easier. This is a rotary tool. It costs about $40 and makes everything a little bit faster. You can attach lots of different carving bits and sanding discs to it. With this tool you can still have a relatively high level of precision in your work. There are rotary tools that run on batteries as well, for all of those who don't have a proper woodshop. The next tool is regular sandpaper. To achieve a really good finish, I recommend that you buy it in 120, 180, 240 and 400 grit. I also recommend that you buy a nicer sandpaper instead of the cheap one. I'll link to both in the description of this video. If you want to change the color of the pipe body, I can recommend leather dye. This comes in many different colors and is very potent, but also completely optional. Natural pipes can also look really good. To apply a really good finish to the pipe body, I can recommend this polishing wheel that you can put on your regular screwdriver and carnauba wax. This is a cheap but extremely good wax. It is durable, resistant to wear and tear, and it also gives a really good shine. It is usually fine just to use the frictional heat from the polishing wheel, but a hot tip is to have a small heat gun to heat up the wax. Now you have seen all the tools needed, now you will get your last tip before I compile the total costs. To treat the inside of the pipe, I can recommend buying this product called smoking paste. You can apply it on the inside of the pipe body instead of slowly creating a carbon layer with regular tobacco. This means that you can start using your pipe right away. It consists of activated carbon and some liquid that then evaporates and creates this tough surface on the inside of the pipe body. And as you can see, it is really easy to apply. To learn more about pipe making, I can really recommend watching my other videos as well. I want more of you to start this hobby, and in the description of this video you can find all the products you will need. Many of these tools are already in many homes, but if you were to buy everything from this video brand new, you would only have to spend around $300. If you don't have an electric screwdriver, it is time to buy one after watching this video. You deserve it. And from the bottom of my heart, I can really recommend you to start making your own pipe. It is great fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.